Do you often toss and turn at night, unable to sleep? Well, insomnia is becoming very prevalent nowadays because of overthinking, stress, anxiety, and poor lifestyle. But yoga here offers a natural solution. So, we are going to particularly talk about the pranayama practices, the breath work that will help you treat insomnia and sleep soundly. So, there are many breath works in yoga that can help you, but we will talk about only two this time, that is Anulom Vilom or Nadi Shodhan and Bhramari. So, basically, the main aim of pranayama is to prolong your breath. These two practices will help you prolong your breath, and basically how pranayam work is that they work on the parasympathetic system. So by working on the parasympathetic system, it induces relaxation in your body and reduces the stress hormone, that is cortisol. So that's why these practices will help you sleep sound. So let's talk about the first technique, that is Anulom Vilom. For Anulom Vilom, what you need to do is you have to use specifically your right hand. You have to place your thumb on the right nostril, and you have to place your ring finger on left nostril. And while closing the right nostril with the thumb, you have to inhale through the left nostril as long as possible, and closing the left nostril with the ring finger, you have to exhale out as long as possible through the right nostril. And you have to do this for like 5 to 6 minutes before sleeping. When you have to finish the practice, you have to exhale through the left nostril. So when you start the practice, you have to inhale through the left nostril, and when you have to finish the practice, you have to exhale out the left nostril. I will go into specifics in another video. Why is that so? Why we have to use our right hand, and why we have to start here and end here. So this you have to do it for like 5 to 6 Then the second practice that I'm going to talk about is Bhramari. Bhramari is very important practice, like it is very calming practice also. It can also use for meditation purpose. So for that, what you need to do is you have to plug your ears with your thumb. You have to close your ears, and you have to close your eyes with your fingers. You have to place it like this, index finger on the forehead, the middle finger closing the eyes, and the ring fingers can be placed near the nose or above the lips, and the little fingers below the lips. Now what you have to do is you have to take a deep breath in and exhale out, making the sound of buzz like a humming bee, like this. Have to repeat this practice for 10 minutes. Basically start with 8 minutes first, then prolonged it as much as you can. So these practices will help you sleep sound and help you relax yourselves. Precautions before doing pranayam. So there should be 2 hours of duration between your practice and having food. So you have to do it after 2 hours of eating food. Before doing pranayama practice, you have to sit very comfortably. When you are sitting on a chair, you have to sit with back straight. Your back can be supported by a pillow behind your low back, or you can sit traditionally on a yoga mat or on the floor in sukhasana or cross leg position, with your left hand resting on the knee in Gyan Mudra, like this. And we will use our right hand to do the Anulom Vilom. So kindly give your feedback. Thank you.